Okay, in the previous lecture we discussed the bacterial classification. Now time comes to classify viruses. So today I will give you the detailed lecture on virus classification and also mnemonics to remember this classification of viruses. Okay, before starting the classification of viruses, first I want to give you the basics, the review of the basics. First I want to give you the review of basics that help in the classification of viruses. So first of all, viruses are classified on the basis of three characteristic features. First one is the envelope that surround the virus. Second one is their genetic material, and the third one is the size of the virus. You know, size of the virus is very hard to remember. So first of all I want to draw here a simple virus. So first of all, virus has genetic material, either it is DNA or either it is RNA, and this RNA or DNA are covered by a special type of protein, and this protein is known as capsid protein, capsomere protein. And these small molecules or proteins make a combination and form a large structure that is known as capsid. So first of all, bacteria has DNA or RNA that is surrounded by a protein which is known as capsomere, and these small molecules of capsomere are combined together to form a capsid that covers the DNA or RNA. Now some viruses have additional covering, and this additional covering is made up of lipids, and this additional covering are known as envelope, and this envelope may be very helpful to the identification of virus when come into the body. All right, so this is the structure, a simple structure of virus. All right, so okay, so envelope, virus has two types of envelopes. Either it is icosahedral, or either it is helical. And similarly, genetic material of virus has two types. The first type is DNA viruses and RNA viruses. Those viruses have RNA are called RNA viruses, and those viruses that have DNA are called DNA viruses. And normally you know that DNA has double strands, and RNA has single strand or polynucleotide chain. But some viruses has single stranded DNA, and of course double stranded DNA. So normally what you see in your life, DNA are always double stranded, but in viruses some single stranded DNA are also found. But in single stranded DNA the basic structure are same, in which sugar are deoxy, and also it has thymine instead of uracil. Alright, so RNA, and again you usually see in RNA are single stranded, but in some viruses single stranded RNA, but in some viruses it is also in double structure, double stranded RNA. So in double stranded RNA the structure are remain same as normally found in RNA, means it has sugar which is oxy sugar, means have oxygen, 5 oxygen, and also RNA contain uracil instead of thymine. Okay, first of all, viruses are divided into viruses are classified on the basis of three things. The first one is envelope, second one is genetic material, and third one is size. And size is very complex criteria to classify viruses, and very hard to remember. In contrast to this size, envelope and genetic material are normally used to classify viruses. So envelope, there are two types of envelope are found in viruses. The first one is icosahedral and second one is helical. So icosahedral means the virus envelope, the viral envelope has 20 triangular shape, has 20 triangular shape. Icosa means 20. So envelope which have 20 triangle found in the envelope are called icosahedral. And what do you mean by helical? Helical means it's a simple helical envelope. It means it's normally what really happens, there is the DNA material, it is surrounded by capsid, and outer side of the capsid what is found? Yes, envelope are found, and this envelope either it is icosahedral. If it is icosahedral, the shape of the icosahedral is triangular in shape, and also 20 triangular are found when you see from the electron microscope. And also helical envelope means the capsid are surrounded by an envelope, and this envelope is just like helical. Helical means it is just like a bag-like structure in which capsid are found. Okay, so genetic material virus are divided on the basis of genetic material into two groups. First of all, DNA virus and RNA virus. If it is DNA virus, is further divided into single-stranded DNA virus and double-stranded DNA virus. And RNA virus, if it is RNA virus, is further divided into double-stranded RNA virus and single-stranded RNA virus. Okay, next is single-stranded RNA virus are further divided into positive polarity, and negative polarity. If RNA direct act as messenger RNA, if RNA of the virus direct act as messenger RNA, it is called positive polarity RNA virus. If this RNA virus does not act as messenger RNA and RNA, it is called negative polarity RNA virus. So this is the basics. When I am using these words, you should know the terminologies. Alright. Okay. Now time comes to classify viruses. First of all, I will divide the virus into on the basis of DNA or genetic material. So there are two types of viruses. In the previous we were discussed that viruses are classified on the basis of genetic material into two groups, either it is DNA virus or either it is RNA virus. So first of all, virus are divided into DNA virus and RNA virus. Okay, so RNA virus has huge class, or we can say RNA virus is the largest class of virus family. So first I will discuss RNA viruses. Okay, so here I am going to draw RNA virus, RNA virus. First of all, RNA virus are divided into single-stranded RNA virus, and second one is double-stranded RNA virus. And single-stranded RNA virus are further divided into two categories. Either it is positive polarity or either it is negative polarity. Okay, so either it is positive polarity, means the RNA which is found in these viruses has characteristic feature which is similar to the messenger RNA, and negative polarity RNA, and those viruses which are found in this group, their RNA does not act as messenger RNA. So positive polarity virus are further divided into envelope and NACT. Okay. Either it is NACT. NACT means they don't have envelope. So NACT virus. So here is the game of mnemonics to remember the classification. So NACT virus are three. There are three types of NACT virus. So first of all, the mnemonic are PCH. So first of all, picorna virus. First of all, those viruses which I am written here are the families, and these viruses has also different types of viruses. These are the families which contain different viruses. So for picorna virus, first of all, picorna virus are divided into three categories. So first of all, yes, hepatitis A virus, hepatitis A virus. Okay, and the second group is rhinovirus. And most common virus that cause acute hepatitis is hepatitis A virus. Hepatitis A virus is the most common acute hepatitis causative agent. Rhinovirus that cause common cold, and third one is poliovirus, and that cause the polio. All right, the second group is that is found in C, calcivi virus. And calicivirus, the most important calicivirus is, yes, the most important calicivirus is norovirus. And one thing that you have to be remembered here is norovirus is the most common causative agent of viral diarrhea. Okay, now third group is H. H means happy virus. And here is your friend happy virus. Happy virus contain hepatitis E virus. So in the black box, these are the families, and these families contain different types of viruses. If it is picornavirus, it consists of hepatitis A virus, rhinovirus, poliovirus. So these terminologies are very important for the MCQ's purpose. If it is say what is calcivi virus, what are the organism, or we can say what are the viruses which is found in calcivi virus. So the most important virus which is found in the calcivi virus family is norovirus. So first of all, you have to remember these families. Okay, so next is envelope virus. So I want to draw it here. And the mnemonics for the envelope virus are CFTR. CFTR is a channel protein that helps in the exchange of chlorine. When the gene become mutated for the CFTR channel, the classical disease that cause is cystic fibrosis. So CFTR is a channel protein, and this is the mnemonic for envelope viruses. So coronavirus, first of all, coronavirus, and coronavirus is nowadays a pandemic and cause most disastrous effect in whole over the world. Next is, yes, F stands for flavivirus, and flavivirus contain three most important organisms. Yes, they form, first of all, dengue virus, and yellow fever virus, hepatitis C virus. Okay, now next is T. T means, yes, Toga virus. And the most important virus that is found in Toga virus is, yes, it is rubella virus. Rubella cause a very important disease known as German measles or 3 days measles. In this disease, there are some rash found in the body. Okay, the third one is retrovirus. Or we can say the fourth one is retrovirus. And it is the most important because the family contain HIV. Not only HIV, it also contain human T cell leukemia virus. So first of all, single stranded RNA viruses are further divided into positive polarity and negative polarity. For positive polarity are further divided into necked and envelope. If it is necked, it means there is no envelope are found in these viruses. And these viruses are picornavirus, calcivi virus, and hepavirus. And one thing you have to remembered here is because these three viruses or the viruses which are found in boxes are the families, and these families contain different viruses. So picornavirus are further divided into hepatitis A virus, rhinovirus and poliovirus. Calcium virus are further divided into norovirus, and norovirus is the most important causative agent of viral diarrhea in human body. Happy virus is the hepatitis E virus, and it also causes acute hepatitis in human body. So envelope virus, the mnemonic for the envelope viruses are CFTR. C is instead for coronavirus, and the second one is flavivirus, and flavivirus further divided into dengue virus, yellow fever virus, and hepatitis C virus. And Toga virus, and for Toga virus the most important one is rubella, and rubella cause measles, German measles and 3-day measles. Retrovirus that cause HIV, retrovirus contain HIV, and HIV is the most important causative agent of AIDS. And also T cell leukemia virus also categorized in retrovirus. Though now time comes to classify the negative polarity. So first of all I want to come to here. Negative polarity. And this means their RNA does not act as messenger RNA. Their RNA does not directly act as messenger RNA. So first of all, I want to divide on the basis of their families, and here what is the mnemonic of this negative polarity viruses? The mnemonic is BR, part of RNA virus. So I want to apply this mnemonic in the classification of viruses. So B stands for Bunya virus, and Bunya virus cause very important disorder known as California encephalitis virus. So Bunya virus family contain a virus, and this virus is known as California encephalitis virus. Okay, the second one is BR. A stands for adenovirus. Adenovirus contain Lassa virus. In Pakistan, the female version of Lassa virus is Lassi virus. Okay, the third one is P. P means paramyxovirus. And this family contain 3 organisms. The first organism is measles virus, mumps, and respiratory syncytial virus. Okay, next one is O. O means orthoparavirus, and orthoparavirus contain it contain influenza virus. Okay, so third one is next is F. F means filovirus. And the important organism which is found in this family is Ebola virus. And also last but not least is rhabdovirus. And it contain a very important virus is rabies virus. So here is the classification of single-stranded RNA virus. First of all, RNA virus are further divided into single-stranded RNA virus and double-stranded RNA virus. Single-stranded RNA virus are further divided into positive polarity and negative polarity. If it is positive polarity, its genetic material direct act as messenger RNA. If it is negative polarity, its genetic material does not directly act as messenger RNA. And positive polarity are further divided into NAC and envelope. NAC means it does not have envelope. The second class is envelope virus. It means it has envelope outside the capsid. And NAC virus, the mnemonic for the NAC virus is PCH. P means picornavirus, and picornavirus is very important, contain hepatitis A virus, rhinovirus, and poliovirus. Second one is calcium virus, and calcium virus contain norovirus, and norovirus Third one is happy virus, and happy virus contain hepatitis E virus. Envelope virus and envelope, the mnemonic for the envelope virus are CFTR. And what is CFTR? C means coronavirus, and it is the most disastrous virus nowadays. Flavivirus. Flavivirus means the flavivirus family contain dengue virus, yellow fever virus, and hepatitis C virus. And hepatitis C virus is the most important chronic hepatitis virus. Toga virus that contain rubella, and rubella has caused German measles or 3 days measles. Third last classification is retrovirus that contain HIV and T cell leukemia virus. And the negative classification, negative polarity virus are further divided into this 5 to 6 classes. First, and the mnemonic for the to remember this negative polarity is be a part of RNA virus. B means Bunya virus that contain California encephalitis virus, and it is not important for the exam purpose. Adenovirus, and it is also not important for the exam purpose. Paramyxovirus, it is very important for the exam purpose. It contains measles, mumps, and respiratory syncytial virus. It belongs to the paramyxovirus family. Orthovirus and orthoparavirus. Orthoparavirus, the most important organism which is found in orthoparavirus is, yes, influenza virus. Filovirus contain Ebola virus, and also rhabdovirus that contain rabies virus, the most important causative agent of rabies that spread through the dogs. Okay, now that last but not least is Rio virus, double-stranded RNA virus is Rio virus. Virus is rotavirus. You know rotavirus. Rotavirus is the most important causative agent of viral diarrhea in children's. So now time come to understand the DNA virus classification. So first of all, DNA viruses are classified into two groups. Either it is double-stranded DNA, or either it is single-stranded DNA. So double-stranded DNA are further divided into, yes, two groups. Okay, on the basis of, yes, NACT or envelope. So the NACT category contain three organisms. The first organism is, okay, the mnemonic for the NACT double-stranded DNA virus is APP. A means adenovirus, and also the family, adenovirus is the family, and the virus that are found in this family are also known as adenovirus. So it is not important to written it here. The second one is papilloma virus, and you know the member which is found in papilloma virus also known as papilloma virus, written it here. The third one is polyoma virus, and it is not important for the purpose of exams. Okay, now envelope. So now mnemonic for the envelope viruses are HHP. H means Hepatna virus, and Hepatna virus is the most important organism, which is the most important virus which is found in Hepatna virus is hepatitis B virus. And also second one is herpes virus. You know herpes virus, again it's a family. Herpes virus again a family, and of course it contains different types of viruses. So herpes virus family contains, first of all, herpes virus. Second one is, yes, Varicella zoster virus. Varicella zoster virus, and the last one is cytomegalovirus. Okay, so last class or family which is found in is pox virus, and pox virus contain the family of smallpox virus. Okay, now the last one is, yes, the last one is single stranded DNA, and single stranded DNA contain, yes, parvovirus, and parvovirus B19 is a very important causative agent that cause aplastic anemia. Parvovirus B19 cause aplastic anemia. So the first of all, viruses are classified on the basis of two structures. The first one is their envelope and the second one is their genetic material. And first of all, the viruses are classified on the basis of genetic material, either it is DNA virus or either it is the RNA virus. RNA virus is the most, or we can say it is the largest group of virus family, and RNA virus are further divided into single stranded RNA virus and double stranded RNA virus. Single stranded RNA virus further divided into positive polarity and negative polarity. Positive polarity are further divided into NECT virus and envelope virus. The mnemonic for the NECT virus is PCH. P means picornavirus, and picornavirus contain hepatitis A virus, rhinovirus, poliovirus, and C stands for calicivirus virus, and calicivirus contain norovirus. And the last one is happy virus, and happy virus contain hepatitis E virus. Next one is, yes, envelope virus, and envelope virus are those viruses which have envelope that close the capsid. And the mnemonic for the envelope viruses are CFTR. The CFTR means coronavirus, F stands for flavivirus, and flavivirus are further divided into three groups: dengue virus, yellow fever virus, and hepatitis C virus. And the T stands for Toga virus, and Toga virus contain rubella virus and don't cause the German measles or 3 days measles. So the next is retrovirus, and retrovirus contain HIV, T cell leukemia virus. And after single stranded RNA virus classification, the second classification of the RNA virus is double stranded RNA virus, and double stranded RNA virus are reovirus, and the most important one is rotavirus, and rotavirus cause most important rotavirus is the most important causative agent of diarrhea in children's. Okay, now come to the DNA viruses, and DNA viruses are further divided into double stranded DNA virus and single stranded DNA virus, and single stranded DNA virus are contain only the member is parvovirus, which is B19 that cause aplastic anemia, and double stranded DNA virus are further divided into NECT or envelope. If it is NECT, then the mnemonic are APP. APP means adenovirus, and the virus which is found in this family are also known as adenovirus. One is papillomavirus. So the last one is polyomavirus. So next one is envelope virus. Envelope virus is further divided into, the mnemonic for the envelope virus is HPP. The mnemonic for the envelope virus are HPP. First of all, hepatinovirus, and hepatinovirus contain hepatitis B virus. H means herpes virus, and herpes virus contain three viruses: herpes virus, Varicella zoster virus, and cytomegalovirus. It also contain Epstein-Barr virus. Okay, so the next one is P. P stands for pox virus that causes smallpox. Okay. Now the negative polarity virus that causes California encephalitis virus, that is not important to remember. Adenovirus and aremovirus contain Lassa virus. Paramyxovirus contain measles, mumps, and respiratory syncytial virus. Orthoparavirus contain influenza virus, and filovirus contain Ebola virus, and rhabdovirus that can rabies virus that cause rabies. I hope you will enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, so please share it to others.